Bae,
What's up?
we need to take my car to the shop because that check engine light is blinding me.
Man, how long it's been on?
I don't know. What does that even matter? We just need to get it fixed. Period.
You know what? I'm not even finna argue about this with you. You know, after church, we just swing by my cousin's house. You know he's a mechanic.
First of all, your cousin is not a real mechanic. And second of all, why everything gotta go through your family?
What are you trying to say?
Nothing.
Nah, you got something? Say what's on your heart.
I don't want to talk about it right now. We just need to get the car fixed. Period.
What's up with it, cuz? Ain't nothing, cuz. Can't call it, trying to get like you.
Ah, man, you got it. Man, I'm gonna need your help right now, man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you know, wifey check engine light done came on. And, you know, I'm just trying to see if you can, you know, take a look at it. Maybe help me fix it, do something with it.
Oh, I see what I can do. You know, these newer cars require a lot more maintenance with all those new computer systems and everything. Have you been getting the recommended checks on it?
Not really, you know, I really only fix things when they break. And right now, you know, it's kind of running good. Just that light done came on.
Well, cuz I do know with these new cars, if you get on service, they'll run a lot smoother and a lot better. You just got to get the recommended checks on it.
For real?
Yeah, man. This
Regular
Infinity 2 is nice, yeah. It's going to cost a bit if you don't.
So you gonna be able to fix my car or what? Because y'all sure been talking a long time.
But that's kind of what Cuz was saying. He was saying, like, you know, with these newer cars, you gotta have that routine maintenance. That's what kind of keeps it running. So it's looking like we're gonna have to, you know, take it to the dealership because they got the right tools and everything to kind of get it fixed.
But I've been saying that this whole time.
When did you say that?
You know what? Just get the car fixed.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm standing there talking to cousin.
Woo, cuz. Feel like that marriage need a little maintenance. But I'm gonna see what I can do. Call around, you know. I'll get with you later though.
I appreciate it. Cuz. I'll let you know.
All right, now.
I'll be easy.
All right.
Oh, so you mad, huh? I guess I'm just gonna turn on the radio or something.
But before you do that, remember that guy that stopped us at Walmart, gave us this flyer to Keystone? You probably should take a look at this.
Oh, so it look like they're having a little marriage ministry at the end of the month. Would you be willing to go?
Yeah, because we sure could use a tune-up, but we need more than a tune-up. We need the oil change, tire rotation, engine checkup, everything.
I get it. Man, you are a piece of work.
I love you too, babe.